Yes, sir.
Tell me what's going on, my friend.
It's a 93 Ford F150, 6-cylinder, two-wheel drive, 4.9. Came in with a no start. The computer won't do it. When you turn the switch on, the computer won't do the 2-second prime.
Okay.
And the pin 22 that ought to ground the relay doesn't do it. We can, with the computer loose, we can ground the relay by way of the pin 22. And the truck will run it. There's a local company here, Upfix. Pull the computer out, send it to them, and they say nothing's wrong with it.
Okay.
But I don't. I feel like that's wrong. I think, or you may know more about this. What does the computer need to generate the signal to prime the fuel pump?
Power and ground, and we got to make sure that the 5-volt reference isn't shorted out.
It's 5-volt reference is good. We have looked at all of the grounds. It's got power where it ought to have it, and that's why I took this thing out and sent it to them. I've had pretty good luck with them,
Mm-hmm.
but I think they simply on the wrong road of this thing.
Really? Okay. Well, put it this way: if the powers and the grounds are good, and the 5-volt reference isn't shorted out, then the PCM should be doing its job. And if it's not, well, then we got a bad PCM.
That's what I'm thinking. I just on this thing, on pin 8, there's a fuel pump monitor. I'm not at all sure what that is.
Are you asking me what it could be?
Yeah,
Take a look.
Could that be an issue?
Pin 8 at the PCM, is that right?
Correct. Okay. It's circuit 238, dark green and yellow. All that is just kind of tough on old wiring stuff. The pump's fine. If I activate the relay, truck runs.
Mm-hmm.
Has power to the relay.
Right.
Kind of stumped on this thing, but
usually what happens is whenever we see this, now it sounds like you have a shop of your own. Is that correct?
I do.
Okay.
38 years.
Okay. And what color wire is this? You said?
It's the number 8 pin. It's dark green and yellow.
Okay, I think I found it here. So what happens is, this is actually a signal coming in from the fuel pump relay, is what it is.
That's kind of what I saw. But for this signal to be viable, is the relay's got to turn it on.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah. So that's probably not my. That probably doesn't play into the equation.
Right. It sounds like, if you got all the powers on the grounds going into the PCM the way it should, but the PCM, you said it's not activating the fuel pump relay, is that right?
To prime it, yes.
Okay, what about when you crank?
No, nothing.
Oh, wow.
Nothing, absolutely.
Does it have spark while cranking?
It does.
Okay. All right. And did you, I know it sounds silly, but did you say you check or replace that distributor?
No, I haven't. No.
Okay. Well.
No, if we activate the relay, motor runs fine on both.
Right. Yeah, based on what your description, it sounds like the PCM is bad.
Yeah. Well, I just kind of wanted to get a second opinion on that.
Yeah.
Nobody works on old stuff like
I know.
this anymore.
I know.
So anyway, I guess that I'll pursue a PCM.
Sounds like a plan, my friend. I think you're headed in the right direction.
You got some magic for me.
No, if I come across anything else, I'll definitely let you know, but I think you're headed in the right direction.
Okay, very good.
And then if you have any other questions, you can always reply back online.
Yeah, okay.
All right, my friend. Good luck, and let us know if anything comes up.
I'll do that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.